Hi friends, my name is Sriram. In this video, we are going to see about introduction to Python, what is Python, Python facts, and how to install Python and IDEs. Introduction to Python. Python is a interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. So Python is just a programming language which we can learn very easily, and it is applicable for high-level purposes. It was created in the year 1991 and developed by Guido van Rossum. Monty Python's Flying Circus. The word Python came from the name of this circus because Guido van Rossum likes this circus very much. So he named his programming language as Python and a word from the name of this circus. 15 million developers. There are 15 million people around the world who know Python very well. More than a billion devices. Python is used on more than a billion devices. To start programming Python, first we want to set up our device. Your device could be a laptop, a PC, or a mobile phone. To start programming, the first step is to install Python in your device. Now I am going to show how to install Python in laptop or PC. Just open your favorite browser and search for python.org. It will show a page like this. Just click download and select your OS. This is for Windows, this is for Mac, and source code is for Linux users. I am using Windows, so it is showing default. Just click this button to install Python. I am going to cancel it because I have already installed. The icon should be like this. Then double click. It will open a page like this. The important step is to select add Python 3.9 to path, and next select custom installation. Select these first four options and give next. Advanced options, select the first one and click install. This is the customized install location. If you want to install Python in other location, you want to browse the location and select your location. The default is C program files and Python 3.9. Now click install. It will install like this. I am going to cancel this because I have already installed. Our next step is to install an IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. The use to install IDE is in Python shell we can only run code for only one line. If you are creating an app or a website, you want to run code more than one line. For that, we want to install an IDE. If you are using a phone to learn Python, you want to use an online compiler. I'm going to show some IDEs which are best IDEs. The first one is PyCharm IDE. Install this PyCharm IDE as much as possible because this is the very best IDE. The next one is Spyder IDE. Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Hardware requirements to install these three IDEs are 32-bit or 64-bit computer or PC with minimum 4 GB RAM. The important is 4 GB RAM. It will require 4 GB RAM. The next one is Sublime Text 3. Hardware requirements to download Sublime Text 3 is 32 or 64-bit computer or PC with minimum 2 GB RAM only. Online compilers. If you are using a smartphone to learn Python, you want to use online compilers. Now I am going to show how to use online compilers. Open your favorite browser and search for program. This is the correct link. Online Python compiler or interpreter programs. Click this link. You can see a screen like this. Okay, this is our online compiler or online editor. You can run your code in this Python online compilers. I'm going to run a sample code. Answer 4. This is very simple code. Okay, the next online compiler is REPL it. It is a very best online Python compiler. Okay, this is the correct link. Python online compiler and interpreter REPL it. Open the link and you see a screen like this. Run your code in this tab. You can run this online compilers in your mobile phone, but I am running this online compiler in my laptop. Okay, in this REPL compiler, I am going to run a sample code. I'm going to run it. See, this is the output for us, Sriram. Okay. Now I'm going to show how to install PyCharm IDE. This PyCharm IDE. Search for jetbrains.com. jetbrains.com. It will show a window like this. There you want to click Learning Tools and PyCharm Edu. Click that. You want to click Download Free. And download. Keep. Okay, this is downloading. I'm going to cancel it because I have already downloaded. Okay, now I'm going to show how to install PyCharm IDE. The installed file looks like this. Right click and run as administrator. It will ask you a permission. You want to click yes and it will show a screen like this. Okay, click next. Location you want to choose. If you want to install this PyCharm in a specific folder, you can click browse and select your folder. The default is program files JetBrains PyCharm Community Edition. Click next. If your computer is a 64-bit computer, click this. If your computer is a 32-bit computer, do not click this. And these three is optional. If you want to add this, you can select and give next. My laptop is 64-bit laptop, so I am going to select this and click next. It will ask like this, don't change this, and click install. It will install like this. I have already installed. Okay, thank you friends.